I'm gonna do a FabFitFun starter kit unveiling. I've never done one of these boxes before, but my mom got a FabFitFun box and wanted to share that with me. So I've got a starter kit here. Love the box. It's bigger than I expected, especially for a starter kit. It's not super heavy. It just came in the mail today. Let's see what we've got inside. Okay. First up, looks like we've got a magazine on how it's curated. It says Sweat It Out. Tips to boost your workout. It's cute. It's got a crossword puzzle. Some fill-ins. That'll keep me occupied this afternoon. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. All right. Let's see if I can keep this open. Okay, first we've got Thirsty Hands, a super hydrating hand mask. I think my mom might have gotten that one as well. That should be fun, especially with all this hand washing that we've been doing. It'll be good to get a little moisture in there, and they look like they're gonna be cute. They've got leaves on here. I'm not sure if that's the actual product, what it's gonna look like or not, but the packaging's very cute. Okay, next up, we've got a lip duo, Hydra Gloss. It says hashtag I'm smoking hot. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open the box just so we can get a look of what the colors are looking like. Oh, that looks good. We've got lip liner and a color Hydra Gloss Luster. Very pretty shade. See if you can see that by Ish. Not sure if that's how you say it. That's how I'm saying it. Next up, ooh, this is really fun. We've got a Rhubarb and Rose Creamy Lip and Cheek Palette. And this is perfect because for the past year, I've been trying not to buy new products because I realized I had too many products and I was never gonna use up my makeup. So I'm just going through everything and getting rid of it. But I have gotten pretty low recently. So this came at a perfect time. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is a really, really pretty box. Okay. See if I can open it. So this is what the front looks like. Rhubarb and Rose. Love it. And then these are the color palettes. I think that's really nice. Some of these might be a little bit bright for me, but I think this one and maybe this one will go with my skin tone. I've already got a little bit of rosacea, so usually have a little bit of pink anyways, but don't want to be too white. Let's see. Oh, and then we've got a bag. Very cool. Let's see. Packing cubes. Perfect. Not going anywhere anytime soon, as most of us, we've, canceled most of our upcoming plans, but packing cubes are always good when you're going on vacation. I've got a couple smaller ones, but these are really, really cute. It looks like we've got some oranges and some grapefruits, and looks like we've got some inside here as well. So that'll be really nice for my next trip. Hopefully it won't be too long. But yeah, that looks like everything. I'm pretty excited. It's a lot of stuff, I'd say. For this, I just had to pay shipping fees, which I think maybe came out to $5. So definitely worth it.